So hello everyone and welcome to this very short YouTube video. I know that I have been radio silent over the last couple of weeks. It's been tough because after TDW-Live, which by the way was one of the most stressful things I think I have done in my entire life, is that, you know, to ensure that everything was working and we didn't lose connectivity and, you know, we were bringing in remote presenters and all those kind of things. It was far more stressful than actually delivering the event at Congressbury. Those of you who have sent in your positivity around the event, thank you. It's deeply appreciated. I was just in front of the camera. There was Claire and a couple of others behind the camera, all of the speakers, all of the vendors that still made the event happen. So I've put together a 3-minute overview of TDW-Live. If you missed it, that'll be on after me when I've done my little spiel here. So we've been radio silent just purely because we finished the year with a flurry of training and consulting. Those of you who have joined the online classrooms and enjoyed those, it was great fun delivering them. I know we had some fun with green screens and doing all that kind of stuff. We are going to do more of that in 2021. We've already scheduled some more S1000D, 2000M, integrated product support type sessions online. So make sure you subscribe to our newsletter to be told when that is being released and how that's being released. YouTube is something I set myself a target in 2020 that I wanted to exceed 300 subscribers on YouTube. I actually set myself 2 targets. One was I wanted 300 subscribers, and the other one is I wanted to hit the 15,000 view count for our videos. We achieved the 300 subscribers. I think at the time of recording this, we are at 305. And the view count of all of our videos, unfortunately, we are just shy. We're just over 14,000 in terms of unique views on our videos. So didn't quite hit that target. And still, because YouTube is something that we kind of do on the side. But next year, we are putting much more energy into YouTube. We are going to do a weekly video that we are going to release on a Sunday at 6 o'clock. Every week. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button. That will tell you when that video goes live. I'm kicking off with looking at the 5 top questions that I get asked on my training courses. And then I'm going to spend 5 weeks answering those, how I would answer them if I was in my training course. If you have a question for me or for the wider community, do send them in and we'll be happy to add them to the YouTube schedule. And hopefully, you know, you'll get a little bit of kudos from TDW. In terms of the growth of the YouTube channel, you know, I am very much a believer in don't put all of your eggs in one basket. You know, YouTube do change their rules regularly and, you know, they can be quite fickle when you put content up and they will take it down automatically. So, but we will put much more content on YouTube, but we are going to continue to deliver the additional content over on TDW Plus for our members and for our subscribers. It just leaves me to say that everybody who has supported us through 2020, when it's been a very difficult and challenging time for all of us, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. We have managed to execute on a couple of online strategies that we've been working on for a little while, and COVID forced our hand to get those in. We are changing the style of a couple of things that we're doing in 2021. You'll see a slight change in style of the magazine, our YouTube content, and those of you who have asked where has the TDW show gone, we started the TDW show. Unfortunately, COVID killed that for us. We have a vision for the TDW show. We are going to do it quarterly, and it's going to coincide with the release of our magazine each quarter. And hopefully, COVID dependent, we can get out and we can speak to people, interview people, do reviews and news and attend events and those kind of things that we can put into the show. So it's still very much something that I want to do. The Tech Data World Integrated Product Support Show is what we've called it, and looking forward to doing that and getting back out again. I hope we can all get back out again. I have been invited to present at a couple of conferences next year already, and I'm also a guest speaker on a couple of webinars in Q1, so please do subscribe to be notified where and when you can get involved. A massive thank you to everybody, again, if I've not mentioned it, that made TDW Live happen. Our vendors have been magnificent. The vendors that have supported TDW Live and TDW as a whole have really made it possible for us to continue to grow TDW. You know, we have been really fortunate through 2020 when it's been very difficult for many. So enjoy this 3.5 minute overview of TDW Live and the kind of presentations you missed. Hope you enjoy it. If you still want to get access to the presentations, get in touch with us and we will tell you how you can become a member and join the increasing membership of TDW, and you can get access to more content that we deliver for members only as well, around the integrated product support domain and for our online subscribers. I'm Michael Ingledew. I'm all about making you successful with your integrated product support strategies. Enjoy this and see you on the other side.